Here's what you need: 2 yards of Spoonflower fleece, cutting mat, a rotary cutter or scissors, washable fabric pen or chalk, and ruler. Begin by cutting 2 rectangles measuring 36 inches by 46 inches out of your main fabric. For version 1, cut a 2-inch square off each corner of the blanket through both layers of fleece. With both rectangles of fleece still layered together, cut strips around all 4 sides of the blanket that measure 2 inches in height and 1 inch in width. When strips are cut, fold each strip in half lengthwise, still keeping both layers together and making a small incision about 1/4 inch in length. You should have a small hole centered in each strip. Beginning at one corner of the blanket, grab 2 strips, keeping the layers together. Feed the left strip through the hole of the right strip. Make sure you are keeping the layers of fleece together as you feed the strips through the holes. Continue in this manner, feeding the strip to the left through the hole to the right all the way around the blanket until you reach the beginning corner of the blanket. Feed one layer through the starting hole to the left, then use both layers of the fleece to tie a knot. Tuck the knot into the braided edge of the blanket. And now you're done and you have a nice cozy blanket.